If you're looking to start investing in the UK, the number of options out there can be generally overwhelming. But here's the thing, there's no single best broker for everyone. Each platform on this list is the best at something specific. So depending on what matters most to you, whether that's low fees, automation, great interface, access to global markets, your ideal broker could be completely different from someone else's. That's why in this video, I'm going to walk you through my top 5 stockbrokers for UK investors, and I'll tell you exactly what each of them is best at so you can make the right choice for your own situation. Before we dive in, a quick note, all 5 brokers on this list are regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, the FCA. And all your funds are protected by the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, the FSCS. So from a safety perspective, you are in good hands with any of them. And for those of you who are new to investing in the UK, let me quickly explain you what a stocks and shares ISA is, because it's going to come up a lot in this video. An ISA is basically a tax-efficient wrapper. You can invest up to £20,000 per year, and any gains, dividends, and interest you earn inside the ISA are completely tax-free, which is amazing. It's generally one of the biggest advantages of investing in the UK, and all 5 brokers are offering one. Now, as always, quick reminder, investing involves risks and the value of your investments can go down as well as up. This is not financial advice. And with that said, let's get into it. Starting off with number 1, we have Lightyear. And the reason I'm putting them first is because if you are a beginner, if you have never invested before, or if you're fairly new to this is where I would start. Lightyear, in my opinion, has the cleanest and most intuitive user interface of any broker in this list. It was founded by a former employee of Wise, so they really know how to build a user-friendly product. Everything just makes sense. From the moment you open the app, there's no clutter, no overwhelming menus, just a straightforward investing experience. Now, here's what really sets Lightyear apart for UK investors. Their stocks and shares ISA is commission-free. Fund manager and FX fees may apply, but there are no trading commissions. And honestly, not a lot of brokers in the UK are actually offering truly commission-free stocks and shares ISA. This alone is a massive selling point. The ISA is also flexible, which means you can withdraw money and reinvest it within the same tax year without losing any of your annual allowance. And here's what makes it even better. Lightyear lets you create your own plans. You build your own portfolio of stocks, ETFs that you choose and set your own target allocation, and then set up recurring contributions on a weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly schedule. Plans are then created and managed entirely by you for your specific goals. The big deal here is that plans are available within the stocks and shares ISA. So your automated investments are growing completely tax-free. That combination of commission-free ISA plus automated plans is generally hard to beat. The stocks and shares ISA also supports fractional shares. Though not all instruments are available fractionally just yet, but Lightyear is working on that. They're going to be adding more, and some pound-denominated ETFs can already be bought for as little as £2. Now, in terms of fees for your ISA, the only real fee you're paying with Lightyear is the 0.35% currency conversion fee on the live interbank rate. That's it. No platform fee, no custody fee, no inactivity fee. Beyond investing, Lightyear also offers a cash ISA currently at 3.75%, which basically tracks the Bank of England rate. It's also a flexible ISA with no penalties and no bonus rates that do expire. However, do note that funds in the cash ISA are held in banks and qualified money market funds, and FSCS protection applies to the portion held in the banks only. Furthermore, you can also earn interest through the vaults, which invest in BlackRock money market funds. As of the date of recording, the pound vault offers approximately 3.77%. However, please note that vaults are an investment product. Your capital is at risk, and FSCS protection does not apply, and moreover, the rate is variable. All interest rates I mentioned in this video are variable and will change over time as central banks' rates move. So do check the current rates whenever you sign up to any of the brokers I mentioned in this video. Now, if you want to try Lightyear, do use my link in the description or code MMB to get up to £100 in a fractional share or ETF in your personal account. As always, capital is at risk and terms apply. Now, as to what could be better, keep in mind that Lightyear is a relatively new platform. Founded back in 2020, it does not have decades of track record that some other brokers do have. Currently, there's also no SIP or pension option available, no option trading, and overall stock selection is slightly smaller compared to the likes of interactive brokers, which we'll get into later. But for the core investing experience, especially for beginners, it really is excellent. Next up, we have XTB. And the reason they're on this list is for the investment plans feature. XTB lets you choose from over 1,900 ETFs, set a percentage allocation for each of them, and then automate your recurring contributions from as little as £15. So if you ever wanted to build a diversified portfolio and have it run on autopilot, this is a really strong option. You set the amount, frequency, deposit method, and your money gets systematically invested according to your plan's structure. It's a great approach for your long-term hands-off investing. XTB also offers commission-free trading on stocks and ETFs up to €100,000 in monthly turnover. Above that, it's 0.2% with a minimum of £10. One thing I also really like about XTB is the interest on uninvested cash. They're currently offering 4% on pounds, which is one of the highest rates you will find on a general investing account. You do not need an ISA for this, and it applies automatically to your cash sitting in your account. It's calculated on a daily basis, but paid out monthly. The rate, of course, is variable and can change over time. XTB also does offer a flexible stocks and shares ISA with over 8,800 stocks and ETFs. And the good thing is you can withdraw and reinvest within the same tax year without affecting your allowance. And you can even earn 4% interest on your uninvested cash sitting inside your ISA as well. The platform itself is using XStation 5, is available on both the web and mobile, and is generally well built. XTB is also a publicly listed company on the Warsaw Stock Exchange, which does add a layer of transparency and credibility. They publicly share their financial results, which means additional scrutiny. They have been around for over 20 years and they have offices in more than 13 countries, including London, specifically Canary Wharf. Now, in terms of other details, you can get access to over 6,600 real stocks across 14 markets. Fractional shares are available from as little as £10, and the FX conversion fee is 0.5%. That FX fee is a little bit higher than some other competitors, which I'll mention, but overall, the package is very strong. With my link in the description down below, you always get access to the latest XTB promotions for new users. These promotions change regularly, but quite often they do offer free shares or stocks of a given company. Now, as to what could be better, I think the 0.5% FX fee is not bad, but slightly on the higher side compared to some competitors. So if you're buying a lot of foreign stocks, those costs can add up over time. The platform itself is quite feature rich, so it might take some getting used to know where everything is located. Number 3 on the list is Trading 212, and this one is all about keeping costs as low as possible. Trading 212 charges 0 commissions on all stocks and ETFs, 0 platform fee, 0 custody fee, is generally one of the cheapest brokers you will find in the UK. And the FX fee is just 0.15%, which is one of the lowest one on the list. But here's the clever part. Trading 212 supports multi-currency accounts across 13 different currencies. So if you deposit directly in US dollars, for example, you avoid the FX fee entirely when you decide to buy US stocks. That's a very smart setup. They also have their own pies feature, which is similar to the investment plans that we spoke about for XTB and Lightyear. Here you can put up to 50 different stocks and ETFs into one pie, set a target percentage allocation, and then use auto invest to contribute on a schedule, whether that's daily, weekly, monthly, or whatever suits you. It all works through fractional shares, so even expensive stocks can be properly weighted with small amounts. And speaking of fractional shares, you can invest from as little as £1. And the selection of stocks is massive. Over 13,000 stocks and 2,800 ETFs, which is one of the largest selection after Interactive Brokers. They also offer stocks and shares ISA, as well as a cash ISA, both with 0 fees. With my link in the description down below, you can get a free fractional share worth up to £100. Or you can also use the code KAI inside the app to claim your free fractional share. Now, what could be better? Well, Trading 212 has fewer advanced tools compared to the likes of Interactive Brokers. It really is best suited for buy and hold investors rather than active traders. And unlike XTB, eToro, and Interactive Brokers, Trading 212 is not a publicly listed company, so there's less external scrutiny on their financials. Number 4 on the list is eToro. And if you're interested in social investing, this is the only platform on this list that really offers that, because eToro's standout feature is what they call copy trading, where you can browse through thousands of experienced investors on the platform, look at their actual track record and results, their risk scores, the strategies, and with one click automatically replicate the entire trades in your own account. When they buy, you buy. When they sell, you sell. It's proportional to however much you allocate. No other broker on this list offers anything quite like that. If you are someone who wants exposure to the markets but doesn't really want to pick up individual stocks yourself, this is a generally unique option. Now, one thing I need to be upfront about, copy trading is not available inside the ISA. So if you want the tax benefits of an ISA, you would use the stocks and shares ISA for your self-directed investments. But the copy trading feature sits outside of that. Moreover, eToro also currently offers one of the highest cash ISA interest rates on the market, around 4.48%. That of course is variable and will change, but as of recording, it really leads the pack. Stock trading is zero commission for UK residents. The good thing is they do now offer pound accounts, which means you can deposit, hold and withdraw pounds without conversion fees on pound denominated assets. Something worth mentioning is also the eToro Club. The more you deposit, the higher your tier and the more benefits you're actually unlocking. For example, a diamond member pays 0 FX conversion fee and platinum members get up to 50% discount on those FX fees. So if you're investing larger amounts, the fee structure improves significantly, plus many other benefits that come over time. eToro also offers smart portfolios, which are professionally curated, theme-based investments bundled with no management fees, starting from $500. They have over 6,200 stocks across more than 20 global exchanges, and fractional shares are available from as little as $10. And eToro is also a publicly listed company, which adds transparency and credibility. So if you want to check out eToro for yourself and sign up with my link in the description down below and get up to $500 worth of free assets. All you need to do is sign up, verify, and deposit to claim your bonus. Now, what could be better? Honestly, the FX fees are on the higher side compared to Trading 212 or Interactive Brokers. There's a $10 monthly inactivity fee after 12 months of not logging in. And I would not recommend eToro for crypto trading specifically, as their fees are around 1% on every buy and sell, which is quite expensive when you think about it. There are cheaper options out there for that. Also, the ISA is offered through a partnership with Money Farm rather than being directly integrated into the main eToro platform. And finally, number 5 on the list, we have Interactive Brokers. Now, Interactive Brokers has been around the longest of any of the brokers on the list, and they're arguably one of the biggest stock brokers in the entire world. They're publicly listed on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange. They literally serve everyone from retail investors all the way to hedge funds, and they do have decades of a track record behind them. If you're looking for a platform with serious depth and global reach, this is the one. And the headline feature is really market access. Over 150 markets across 33 countries and 25 currencies. If there's a stock exchange somewhere in the world, chances are Interactive Brokers will give you access to it. No other retail broker comes close to this. Their FX fee is also just 0.03%. Let that sink in. So if you're regularly buying US, European or Asian stocks, the savings can up real fast. And here's something a lot of people do not think about when choosing the broker. Interactive Brokers is available globally in pretty much most countries. So if you decide to move abroad one day, in most cases, you can keep your Interactive Brokers account and transfer it to a local entity without having to sell your shares. That's a massive advantage that not many brokers are offering. And also their professional tools on the platform are best in class. The trader workstation, the desktop platform gives you advanced charting, dozens of types of deep analytics and insights. And they even offer API access for algorithmic trading. They offer over 22,700 stocks and ETFs that are eligible for fractional trading, and you can invest from as little as $1. Their stocks and shares ISA is available with a £3 monthly minimum activity fee, which gets offset by any commissions that you do pay. So if you're serious about investing, check out Interactive Brokers with my link in the description down below, and you can take advantage of the low fees, world-class tools, and more market access than any other broker on the list. Now, there's of course always something to improve, and here's the honest part. Interactive Brokers can be really overwhelming. They have 3 different apps alone. That's already confusing to many, and there's a really steep learning curve to understanding how to use the platform. This is not a beginner-friendly platform. Even though the Global Trader app does make it easier, overall it can be overwhelming. So if you're just starting off, it might be a little bit too much for you in the beginning. But once you get the hang of it, it's generally one of the most powerful retail brokers out there. So here's a quick summary to wrap it all up. If you're just getting started and want the best experience with automated plans inside a tax-free ISA, then honestly, give Lightyear a try. If you want to build portfolio of ETFs and automate your investments with high interest on your idle cash, then XTB is a great option for that. If you want absolute cheapest option with the lowest FX fees among simpler platforms, Trading 212 is hard to beat. And if you're into social investing and want to copy experienced traders, eToro is the only real option. And lastly, if you're a serious investor who wants access to everything with professional grade tools, Interactive Brokers is a clear choice. Now, all the links in the description below with the latest promotions for each platform. Let me know in the comments down below which of the brokers you are using and why. I'm genuinely curious. If you found this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe for more investment content like this. Next up, check out this video right here. As always, stay healthy, get wealthy. See you in the next one. Ciao.